Hi there, I'm Only2Hands, your local snowflake hardcore Iron Man, trying to get a two-handed weapon from every raid in RuneScape. Last episode we reached our biggest milestone so far, Perilous Moons. This chest holds so much potential for me, it's actually insane. It literally changes everything. And since we finished the quest last episode, we get to open it for the first time right now. 1 KC, we want the spear. We want the Blue Moon Spear, or the Blood Rager set, or the maracas. Any of the weapons would be amazing. Any piece, honestly, would be incredible to get. Oh, never lucky. But the darts, the decent amount of prayer XP, and most importantly, we finished the quest. Having access to the lunar chest is a big step forward, but as of right now, the Blood Moon is still a major speed bump in terms of grinding out the items here. My first successful kill on the Blood Moon took over 6 minutes to complete, and for a point of comparison, a full circuit killing all 3 moons on my other Iron Man takes about 8 minutes, so we're gonna have to find some areas to improve. First on the list, an item I mentioned way back in episode 2, the Colossal Blade. So I have all the ores and everything I need, at least I'm pretty sure I do, to make the bars at the blast furnace, then make them into plate bodies, and then the plate bodies I use at Giant's Foundry to get the Colossal Blade. And right now I'm just on my way to grab the ice gloves. If anybody doesn't know, you don't actually need to start. I think it's the Heroes quest that these gloves were introduced as part of, but yeah, you can just go in and kill the queen and she drops them, regardless of if you have started the quest or not. Next up, I just gotta talk to this guy for a little bit, and that'll start the Giant Dwarf quest, which gives us access to Keldagrim as well as Blast Furnace. And I want to say the shortcut from the Grand Exchange. I mean, I'm grasping at straws because not having fairy rings is so foreign to me. I'm not used to, so I'm trying to think of like any way that anything can help me transport around, but I don't know if this is a legit one. We will see. We'll find out.
Blast Furnace is such fun and engaging content. I don't know how anyone does anything else in this game aside from Blast Furnace. Click the conveyor belt, and then click the dispenser, and then click the conveyor belt, and then click the dispenser, and then click the conveyor belt and grip the shotgun barrel firmly between your lips and pull.
So we've got our 1000 iron bars, 1000 steel bars. Time to smith all of them into plate bodies. And I don't have the level to smith the steel ones yet, but doing all these is definitely going to get me there. And there we go. That's the last of the iron plate bodies. You'll love to see it. Got 200, and now we just need to do 199 steel plate bodies. And here it is, the last of the steel plate bodies. I think I need one more to get that level. I'm going to do that real quick, and then we are over to Giant's Foundry. Alright, here we are, our next prison. And I think, so this should be enough for 50 swords. And 50 swords with an average. I did all the math earlier and it came out to this being it. Okay, so as it turns out, I was a little bit off on my calculations for what I need to get the Colossal Blade. But that's not a bad thing because I literally just got 55 mining, which means I can get mithril ore from here, and I got a decent amount from the sulfur naguas. Never going to be able to pronounce that correctly. So yeah, that's enough to make 10 swords, believe, if I'm doing the steel and mithril combo. So if I can get, I want to say I need to make 20 or 30 more.
I love Blast Furnace with all my heart and soul.
Alright, we're back and we should have enough this time to finish out the Colossal Blade. I'm going to be doing a ratio of
Nobody cares.
5105 reputation, 5,000 for the big boy blade. There she is. Look at that. Oh man. It is beautiful. God, I love that animation too. Okay. Straight to Perilous Moons. Send a run with that thing. It's so dumb looking. I love it. Look at this absolute Giga Chad. One thing I can see being a problem, potentially, is just how heavy this thing is, because right now I weigh 71 kilograms, which is a little bit ridiculous. But thankfully there's not a whole lot of running involved in any of these guys, except for, excuse me, maybe except for like the putting out the fire phase, or lighting the fire thing that you do on the blue moon. Alright, first attempt with the Colossal Blade. Let's get it. Oh, big shit. Oh, fuck me. Oh, this is so much better. I was hitting like 2s before. HP left on this phase. First hit. Could be it. Boom. That was so much better. Blue moon. Oh, let's get it. Not bad, dude. Even that felt faster by a little bit, at least, than the previous attempts. And I'm not gonna do Blood Moon because that's still pretty annoying, and I would have to get more food anyway. All right, can we spoon on the first one, the first 2 chest run? With better gear. Please, mama. Okay. Well, that's not terrible. That's pretty terrible, actually. Number 5. Never lucky. Hey, you got a CA. That's cool. The 1 in 19. Come on, baby. Oh, never lucky. But decent amount of herb XP. Tar, that's prayer, is good stuff.
When are we lucky? Never.
Come on, spoon me. I haven't been spooned yet. Give me spoons. Never lucky. Go on. Come on, baby. Oh, never lucky. Alright. I believe this is either number 9 or number 10. I can't remember. Another one. Oh my god, the 48 heal, dude. Like, oh, defense level. Another one. Stop. Yeah, I'm leaving. I'm going. Jeez, dude, come on. That is so annoying. Please. Spin to win, baby. Come on. So we're 13 chests in,
I haven't gotten anything good so far. No pieces. The herbs are good. Everything, the farming XP that I'm getting from it is really good. However, I think what I should do, what's going to be the most beneficial now, is actually if I go, or I guess stay, and get 70 defense here at the Sulfur Naguas, and then process all of the prayer XP that I have banked, because I think I can get up to about 55 prayer, which would be pretty good, and then go to Barrows. I think that's gonna be the move. Minor change of plans. We are gonna go do the Haunted Mine quest. Get that out of the way so I can get a salve amulet. So I just realized I brought a defense potion, which is gonna help. But I didn't bring any prayer potions. I've got energy, defense. I've got my best healing food, some tick eats, or combo eats, whatever you call them. We'll give it a shot. My minigame teleport's close to being up anyway, so worst comes to worst, I can just teleport out. Send it. Oh, the pathing is going to be rough. Okay. Nice. First hit's a 1. Okay. Come on. Come on. Easy? Oh, come on. So close. Come on. God tier PVMer. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes! Easy game. Oh, I'm too good sometimes. And here we go to finish the quest. There it is. 22,000 strength. That's nice. Access to Tarn's Lair. 2 quest points. And most importantly, I'm just gonna do 69 strength. I'm gonna grab a bunch of these, actually. And there she is, the salve amulet. Beautiful. And eventually we will imbue and enchant that. And with that small but significant upgrade out of the way, it's time to take another visit to one of my favorite places in this game, Barbarian Assault. Gotta love the classic BA experience where one person just has literally no idea what they're doing, but we've all been there. I remember when I was a noob at this. Brings me back to the good old days. The 10-minute wave 1. A little rough. Alright, we made it to wave 6 with this same guy, but I'm swapping to heal for the next one. He's doing a good job. He's learning. It's his first time going through, so I understand. We've all been there. We've all been the noob. Just a couple of meme accounts making it through Barbarian Assault. We got me, the Only2Hands guy, and a level 20 combat who's going for the torso. This is a good time. I love this place. Last round of the final game. Let's go, baby. Come on. Spam. Let's go. Come on. Come on. So close. So close. Yes, this is it. Yeah, there she is. GG's. And if we take a look at the board, look at that. More than enough in every roll. Let's go grab ourselves the biggest upgrade we're gonna get for a while. There she is. Look at that. Oh, Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, look at that six-pack. Look at those abs, bro. Oh, we're too powerful. We are way too powerful for this game. I'm coming up. Another double rare table, rare drop, table drop. Another rare double. Another. There's 70 defense. I got it. Cool. Wow. And 1350 total. What am I doing with my life? So now that we're 70 defense, I'm going to switch gears a little bit. I want to do some testing over at Barrows. Let's see if I can do a full kill without teleporting out. Because my only good way of getting here is the Shades of Morton teleport, which I only have once every 20 minutes. It's the best I can do because I can't get the Mauritania legs for the Berg de Rot teleport. Due to my restrictions, I can't do the... I think there's a fairy ring? No, it's the kill a werewolf with the... What's it called? Wolfbane dagger. So I can't do the Mauritania diary at all, any of it. So yeah, my other way of getting here is just walking from Varrock, which I will do, but when I'd like to just train up to 83 magic and get the portal in my house. And yeah, so here we go.
There we go, and I get to watch their autistic
Do Barrows runs.
This will be hilarious.
Oh, and there's no tick delay on that too. That's so nice. I shouldn't do that. He can probably one-hit me. Why would I even think to prayer flick a Darrock? What am I doing? I'm so used to like 24. There it is. That was a max. That's beautiful. I'm so used to doing Barrows on my other account where it's just like the easiest thing in the world. Ooh. I love combat tasks. Speaking of which, I am gonna end up doing the medium tier at the very least. The reason I want to do the medium tier is because I can wield the offhand, and if I am wielding the offhand, on the tick that happens, where the face shows up and it drains your prayer, I will not be drained, and then I can just switch back to my magic weapon, which is pretty fantastic. On to Aram. This one potentially could take quite a bit longer, and this has 2% magic strength on it, which won't make a difference unless I'm hitting like 50s, I don't think. Because I don't have any other gear that has magic percent on it. Jagex, please take a look at the Obby staff. Nobody has used it. I'm the first person to use it in like 10 years. Please give it some love. This is not looking good though. This isn't looking good. Range arrow. I am aware, sir. Thank you. Oh man, he hits me hard. I just don't want to use that shit. I need that other dose for when I'm down in the tunnel. Yeah, no, fuck it. We'll leave him. That's fine. We can do a 5-brother run. Okay, and I brought the salve
for skellies in the tunnel. Beautiful, that's what I wanted. I mean, he's not hitting me, so I just don't want to waste a prayer potion if I don't have to. Torag's like the least scary of the brothers. Yes, okay. It's unlikely, but can we spoon? We cannot. Too bad. That was a decent amount of death runes, though. I think I profited death runes on that. I don't want to waste them. Jeez. And there was a 12-minute. Whoa! Oh, don't like that. Oh, ho, ho, I don't like that either. Please no. Don't do that. We can be friends. Jeez, that was a little spooky. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay. Alright. Give me the spoon. 2 KC legs. Torag's legs. Torag's hammers. Guthan's war spear. Something good. Okay. Well, we got bolt racks. It's a collection log, and we got the strange icon. That's not terrible, you know? We'll take that, and I got blood runes. That's pretty solid. Number 3. Let's spoon it.
Never lucky.
Big spoon? No, never. Alright. Big chest coming up. I can feel it. This is the one. Chest number 6. Hey, blood runes. We take it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Oh, that's a lot of blood runes. I like that. The 0 prayer point Guthan, you'll love to see it. You know, I'm pretty sure that means it's 100% guaranteed item here. Let's go. Oh! Yes! Oh, that's actually huge! Oh! Oh, Guthan rewarding me. Oh my god, that's massive. Yes, please. Holy shit. Oh, let's get out of here. That's so nice. Alright, I'm buzzing from that Barrows drop. I figured I gotta send at least one chest here. See if we can do the double spoon, the back-to-back. So normally right now I would run back to the other cave area and prep some more stuff, but honestly I think I can just go straight ahead into what's it called? The Blood Moon. I want to say this is going to be a lot better. Let's go. Hey, okay. Whew. Well, that was still
a little rough. It was absolutely 1000% better than before. I mean, 5 food left over. I was a little more liberal with the prayer, the moonlight potions, but it's so much better as opposed to like a 7-minute kill. I think that was like 4.5 minutes, almost twice as fast. So yeah, I am thrilled. And let's see if we are rewarded. Can we do the back-to-back Barrows to Perilous Moons? No, never lucky. Oh well.